The next question which we are going to discuss is prove that the greatest integer function f from r to r given by f of x is equal to box of x is neither 1 1 nor on 2, where x box x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Greatest integer, that is less than or equal to x. It is given here, it is greatest integer function. This already we have studied in the class 11. Now see here, box x they have given, that is greatest integer function, that too the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Now see here, first let us see what is this greatest integer function, then we will go for the sum. Greatest integer, that is the box of any number. Let us take the number 4.5. Now greatest integer less than this, the very next less than number for this is 4. Or if you are taking the whole number like this, means the same number will be there, that is equal to integer less than that number, means it will be 4. For 4.9, for 4.9 also the less than number will be 4 only. Now for let us take the negative numbers, the less than number will be 2. No, here it is negative number. So negative number means this will not come. See here, in negative, compare -2 and -3. Which is the lesser number? -3 is the lesser number. Therefore, for this -3 will be the lesser number. Now similarly, for -2.9, let us see. Now for this also -3 will be the number here. Now for -2, what will be the number? Same, -2 only. Now for -1.2, the number again it will be -2 only. Now see this example itself. For 4.5 also I got the answer 4, that is mapping to 4. 4.9 also it is mapping to 4. We have to prove that it is 1 1, neither 1 1 nor onto. We have to prove that it is not a 1 1 function, it is not a onto function. 1 1 means one number should map with one unique number only. Here this also is mapping to 4 and this also is mapping to 4. By seeing this itself, we can say that this is not a 1 1 function. F of x1, f of x2, these two values leading to 4, but f of x1 and x1 value and x2 value is not same. So for prove that 1 1 given is f from r to r, function defined as f of x is equal to box of x here. Now let us take the same example. F of 4.5 is equal to 4. F of 4.9 also equal to 4. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that is f of 4.5 is equal to f of 4.9, this is equal to 4, but 4.5 is not equal to 4.9. So x1 is not equal to x2. See here, f of x1 is equal to x2 means this should be equal to x1 and is equal to x2. But here f of 4.5 is equal to f of 4.9, that is equal to 4. But this 4.5 and 4.9 is not equal. Therefore x1 is not equal to x2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore f is not 1 1. Now let us prove for onto. We have to prove that this is NOR onto function. So for onto also we have to prove that it is not true. Same way, let us take one example and we will prove that it is not a onto function. Now let us see in this diagram. See here, what are the numbers we have taken? Minus 1.2, minus 2, minus 2.4, minus 2.9, 5, 4.5, 4.9. In between then minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1. Here also minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Likewise it will be going. Now see here, it is a real number set. This is also a real number set. This is also a real number set. Each element should get mapping in this one. Then only we will say that here it is 1 1. For onto, codomain should be equal to range. Then only we will say that this is onto. Here we proved that it is not a 1 1 function. For 2.9 also 2. For 2.4 also 2. For minus 2 also it is 2 only. Similarly for 1.2 also minus 1, for 1 also minus 1. Now in between this minus 2 and minus 1, or see here for 4.5 also this is 4, for 4.9 also it is 4 only. Now for 3.9, or let us take here 1 is there. For 1 it will be 1 only, for 2 it will be 2 only, but in between these two point numbers are there, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, like this numbers are there. These numbers does not involve in mapping here, so my range and codomain range is not equal to codomain. So many elements are there in the real number set, but here only few numbers are involved in mapping, therefore range is not equal to codomain. This we will take only one example and we will prove that this is not involved in this. Therefore it is not a onto function. Given is f of x is equal to box of x, y is equal to box of x. Now let us take this number, same number, for 1.6, that is belonging to R only. There does not exist, for 1.6 we don't have any x element in this real number set. It does not exist x that is belongs to R such that f of x is equal to box of x that is equal to 1.6. Therefore f is not onto. Now the fourth question, show that the modulus function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to mod x is neither 1 1 nor onto. Here also we have to prove that this modulus function is not a 1 1 function and not a onto function, where mod x is x if x is a non-negative and mod x is equal to minus x if x is a negative. First let us see about the modulus function. Modulus function given as mod x is equal to, see here, x if non-negative given there, that is x is greater than or equal to 0, and it is minus x, mod x is minus x if x is less than 0, that is negative. X is less than 0 means negative number. That means that if modulus of minus 3 is there means that also is 3 only. Modulus of plus 3 also it is 3. So inside the modulus whatever value we give, the result will be in the positive only. Now even for decimal numbers also, whatever it may be, the result will be in positive. Now see here, defined function is f from R to capital R, that is from real number set to real number. The same here also we can see. For minus 3 the value is 3. For plus 3 also the value is 3. Now see here, for both the numbers we are getting the same answer. this is x1, this is x2. x1, f of x1 equal to f of x2, that is equal to 3, but x1 and x2 is not equal. By seeing the itself we can say that this is not a 1 function. The same way we will prove the onto function also. Now see, for 1 function, f of minus 3 is equal to modulus of minus 3, that is equal to 3. Now f of 3, that is equal to mod 3, this is equal to 3. See, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 should be equal to x2, but here f of minus 3 is equal to f of 3 is equal to 3, but minus 3 is not equal to 3. Therefore, f is not 1, 1. F is not a 1 function. Now, let us prove for onto function. Given f of x is equal to mod x, f is from R to R. Now see here, this is also R, this is also R. Now see here, minus 3 is there, plus 3 is there. Minus 1.8 plus 1.8. Now see, for minus also I am getting plus value. For plus also I am getting plus value only. For minus 3 it is 3. For plus 3 also it is 3. Here few negative numbers, not a few, all the negative numbers will be there, which does not involve in mapping. Therefore, the range is not equal to codomain. If the range is not equal to codomain, directly we can say that this is not a onto function. Now let us take one example and we will show that this does not involve in mapping. Now f of x is equal to mod x, that is y is equal to modulus of x, y belongs to R, plus only the positive numbers are involving there, negative numbers are not there. So let us take one negative number. For let us take minus 2, this belongs to this set R. For this minus 2 there is no mapping here, there does not exist x that belongs to R, such that f of x equal to mod x, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore, f is not onto. Therefore, we have proved that this is neither 1, 1 nor onto.